discount under the GST. It may be cash discount, it may be quantity discount, buy one take one free, like that. It may be a trade discount. Broadly speaks, cash discount, trade discount. Cash discount will appear in the books of accounts as a debit to your P&L account. Trade discount won't appear anywhere. What is a trade discount? Trade discount is given by the seller before or at the time of sale by deducting from the price and raise the invoice net of discount. I am selling my washing machine at rupees 50,000. Buyer bargained with me. I accepted by giving the discount of, let us say, 10%, 5,000. So I sold rupees 45,000 to my buyer and accordingly I raised the invoice for 45,000. That means the discount is deducted even well before raising the invoice. Meaning thereby, such a discount is a trade discount which is not going to appear in the books of accounts. So you are very familiarized with this. You are a financial accountant, you are a chartered accountant, cost accountant, company secretary, you are aware of this. On the other hand, cash discount, which is given to you after sale. I raise the value for rupees 45 rupees by selling my washing machine to you. On credit basis I sold. 1 month credit. Within 1 month from the date of invoice, if the buyer is going to be paid to me the full value of invoice rupees 45,000, further I am giving a discount of rupees 5,000. That means I raise the invoice rupees for 45,000. My sale value of machine has been booked as rupees 45,000 and the invoice shows 45,000. But in the invoice, down to the invoice, bottom layer, one important note which says that if the buyer of the goods paid the value of the invoice within 1 month from the date of invoice, further discount rupees 5,000 which is given after sale, which is my expenditure, I need to book in my finance account. Thereby that discount appears in the books of accounts, namely cash discount. Now it may be a trade discount, it may be a cash discount, it may be whatever name you call, such a discount is offered by you well before supply takes place, which is not some part of the value of supply, or you have been noticed going to be provide the discount after supply takes place, which is very clearly mentioned in invoice, very clearly mentioned in the contract between the seller and buyer, or between the supplier of service and recipient of service, where we have very clear execution of contract stating that a part of discount will be given to the recipient of the goods or services even after sale upon satisfying certain conditions. Meaning thereby the discount has been noticed before supply or at the time of supply, but it is given after supply taken place. Such a discount also be deducted from the value of supply, not going to form part of the value of supply, it is not going to form part of the value of transaction value. Which discount you are not going to deduct here means the discount which is not given before supply or at the time of supply, even not noticed at the time of supply to be given in the future period of time. Meaning thereby I sold my washing machine at rupees 45,000 on credit basis, 1 month credit. I have not mentioned anywhere in the invoice that discount of rupees 5,000 will be given to the buyer if the buyer is going to pay within 1 month. Nowhere I mentioned. After sale of the machine, washing machine, rupees 45,000, Mr. Seller running shortage of working capital. He is running shortage of funds. He may be facing financial crunch. Thereby seller says, hey Mr. Buyer of my goods, are you going to pay the invoice value within 3 days? then I will give the discount of rupees 5,000. Such a discount is offered after supply taken place, and such a discount is nowhere mentioned to be given in the invoice. In that case, such a discount should not be allowed as a deduction from the transaction value. Even though I given 5,000 rupees of cash discount to you, which is after sale, but it is not mentioned to be given in the invoice. Nowhere mentioned. I have given that because of my business needs, I offered this discount after sale. In that case, my transaction value not 40,000. Add the discount what I given to you, rupees 5,000, namely 45,000 is the transaction value to pay the GST. So, simple summary. Discount may be cash discount, discount may be trade discount. If it's given before sale or at the time of sale, not going to form part of the value of transaction value. If it is given after sale, by mentioning it in the invoice or a contract between the seller and buyer, very clearly executed, and it is known at the time of supply the discount to be given. If the buyer is honored certain conditions, discount will be given. Such a point well noticed at the time of supply, but it is given after supply taking place. In that case, such a value of discount also be allowed a deduction. However, the discount neither given on or before supply nor mentioned to be given after supply in the invoice. In that case, such a discount is offered after supply should not be allowed as a deduction. Is what in nutshell section 15 section 3 of the GST Act refers. So having this all, if you arrive the value in the given case, if you refer my dear friends, in the given case section 15 subsection 2 clause A, clause B, clause C, clause D, clause E, and deduct, if allowed deduct discount, if already added in the above, deduct discount 15 subsection 3 and arrive the value. The final value is called as transaction value. If that is a transaction value, is appropriate value where I found this outside the books of account, then it is appropriate value to pay the GST. Sometimes the book value itself is appropriate value also. If not appropriate value, keep outside the books of accounts, add some additions, deduct some reductions, and arrive the value called as transaction value, which is exclusive of GST. Pay the GST on such value, which is correct payment of GST. It is neither short payment nor excess payment of GST if you pay on transaction value after arriving like this.